Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to an update on Cardano. I wanted to make an update. I know a lot of you hold and trade Cardano. It hasn't been that exciting, the price movement for ADA in the last week, even though we did see some strong bullish momentum yesterday, where most cryptos actually, after this drop, did not recover fully. ADA actually was able to get that move up again. But altogether, I mean, if you zoom out, if you just check out this price action right here, there's barely any movement. So we'll talk about that. We'll talk about the possibility of getting some movement soon, and in which direction that then is most likely. So just a full update. That's what we'll do. Before we dive into that, I have a premium trading group as well, which will, I guarantee, make you a better trader at the very, very least. I share trade setups in there as well. You gain access to an amazing community. If you want to join that, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, or go to cilinix.com and hopefully I'll see you soon. It's a great community so far, I think. I share a lot of charts in there as well, but for now, on to Cardano. So volume for Cardano is up 20%, which you would say that's great, right? But in reality, it's not that great. Like even the volume for Bitcoin right now is up about 80%, all right? And that's way more money, right? That you need to get that 80%. So Cardano on its own, there's just not that much going on. The EMAs are fairly flat right here, which signals consolidation. And the ADX at this point in time is around 17, which signals, again, consolidation or at least lack of trend. So that's what we're seeing on the technical side. We'll still dive into that a little bit later, don't worry. On the fundamental side, Cardano is still doing fine. I mean, the total value locked has recovered and even grown since the SEC lawsuits. Daily transactions and daily active addresses are not doing great, but they're consolidating, they're stable. So fundamentally, I would say that Cardano is doing fine, but there's also not any bullish catalyst coming from there. So what we would have to, I think right now, accept is that the general direction and the expectation for Cardano is that we'll stay in this consolidation. So right now you can see that there's somewhat of a trend line right here. I very much doubt that will be respected. We might just get another spike up towards 32 and perhaps even 32.5 cents, but I do think from there we will return back to our range lows around 30 cents, which is it's a strong support level that will not easily break. But at some point of time, of course, we're going to either get a break above, let's say, 33 cents, because that's actually a strong resistance level just above the range highs. So we'll get a bullish breakout like that, and we'll turn bullish and get up to 35 cents at the very least. Or we're going to get a bearish breakout through 30 cents, get a bearish break retest, and move back down to 28 cents. One of these two things at some point of time is going to happen. They will not be huge moves like indicated right here on the charts, but one of these two moves is bound to happen. So which one is most likely at this point of time? And I think that the most likely scenario at this point of time, and that's mainly based on my views on Bitcoin, all right? Because Bitcoin basically signals the entire market direction. At this point of time, I think Bitcoin is bearish. Now, it's the end of the month. A lot could happen, all right? So if for some reason Cardano is able to break above 32.5 cents and 33 cents, then it could just be that institutions and market makers are massively opening long positions. That's a possibility. Personally, I'm prepared for that. But given the current structure and expectations for Bitcoin, I think it's more likely that first of all, we'll stay in this range, and that at some point of time, right now, it's still most likely that range will break to the downside, and that we'll get some more bearish momentum down to 28 cents. Realistically, I mean, I would love Cardano to be bullish, but realistically, I think this is the most likely scenario. So that's also my analysis for now. Now, if you do have any questions, if you do want to discuss this, I'm always open for that. Let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Enjoy your Monday, and bye.